about here. The players on your team can play at their best if they have no fear of making mistakes and if their emotional tanks are full. The study showed that there's a magic ratio of positives to criticisms that an athlete has to have. This study was actually done in children, in classrooms. It's also done in marriages. And it found in the relationship, if you're given this many positives to criticism, maybe they were quick, you probably saw it. Go ahead. What was it?
Isn't it like 5 positives to 1?
To 1. It's on page 49, the magic ratio. If a person is given 5 positives to 1 criticism, the results are going to be magical. This is what Phil Jackson's given in Challenge Before His Friend. Jim Thompson said, can you give me 5 positives for every criticism you give him? And Phil Jackson's like, no, but I'll try. They gave him maybe 2 to 1. Just giving him 3 to 1. Phil Jackson saw the difference. So if you have a player on your team that's a little bit down, don't blow smoke. Don't say, oh, good job, Mickey, way to go. Because Mickey's thinking, I didn't do a good job. But tell Mickey the things he did right. He had a good hustle. He got a good angle. He got open. He beat his defender. He did whatever he was. He had a good flip turn. He had a good sail to get there. So keep that in mind. That's called filling the emotional tank. Page 50-52, we're not going to do it now, but there's a game plan on your way home. Maybe your team needs a little help in the emotional tank here. Are you guys tough on each other after a game that you lose? Is everybody kind of complaining and blaming? Or are your tanks full enough that you can go out the next time? The teams that have full tanks are the ones that are going to keep going. All right, last thing we're going to do here. I'm going to ask you to pick 1, 2, 3, or 4. There's papers up on the wall, okay?